In instant mode, basically use this when you're staying inside and don't expect anyone else to come in or out of the door. It operates exactly the same as the stay mode, except for the alarm sounds when you're opening and closing the doors. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, instant. Now you can still exit and enter until it's armed. Once it's armed though, there is no entry delay. So basically anything that's open, door, window, motion sensor, is going to set off the alarm. If the motion sensors are programmed as stay mode, which means you could walk around inside, you could still walk around the inside of your house without setting off your alarm. And 1, 2, 3, 4 off, turns it off. So instant mode is basically exactly like stay, except for there's no delay coming in and out of your doors or windows.